there, what's up? My name is Luna and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I wanted to do something a little different than what I usually do on this channel, and I actually wanted to film a mid-size 2020 summer lookbook. And I know what you're thinking, Luna, we're stuck in quarantine. There's not really much we can do. And you know, I'm a firm believer in just because we have nowhere to go and nothing to do, that doesn't mean that we can't dress up and look a little cute for ourselves. I would take this opportunity now that we're stuck inside to kind of experiment with our look and kind of like, you know, get a little crazy now that nobody's judging us since we're stuck at home. I also wanted to mention that all of the stuff that I'm wearing in this video, I already had in my closet. I bought nothing new for this video except these fabulous nails, but besides that, everything else I already owned in my closet. All I did was just mix match some of my clothes and, you know, jazzed it up a little bit, and I created these really cute outfits that I really like, and hopefully they inspire you to kind of look around and dig in your closet for old things that you haven't really worn in a bit, so that you could, like, you know, look cute when we finally get to go out again. So yeah, before we start, I just wanted to mention that if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions or comments or criticism, definitely leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm calling this one the art major because it's essentially what I wear every single day to college. It's just a simple blue tank top. I actually bought this one at Goodwill, but the tag says Topshop. And then I matched it with this velvet choker and these Fashion Nova ripped jeans and this jean jacket I actually made in a previous video. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can watch it. But yeah, I really like this look and it's super comfortable. It's really great for either going to class or, you know, just chilling and playing Switch all day, which is what I've been doing recently. So I'm actually calling this outfit Lakeside QT because that's exactly what I'm going to be doing this summer, is just chilling by the lake and probably in this outfit. If there's anything that I like, it's a nice bodysuit, and this one surprised me because it's actually from Forever 21 and it fit extremely well. I paired it with these paper bag jeans that I bought at Target and this jacket that I also bought at Target. I actually saw Rebecca Black wearing the same one. I got this one on sale because I think that people didn't like it because it's a little bit itchy, but anything for fashion. And yeah, I really like this outfit. It's very simple but put together. So I'm actually calling this look 70s Sunflower Baby because there's nothing really else I can think about when I see this outfit. Everything's super inexpensive. It's all from Target, from the sales section. I just got this white tank top and these overalls, and altogether it was probably like $30. I paired it with this sunflower necklace that I actually got in Spain that's made out of copper from this really nice museum that I went to, and I paired it with these white Converse to make it a very easy, simple look. So I'm actually calling this look Casual TikTok Baddie because it's inspired by a lot of TikTokers I've been watching recently. I paired it with these Doc Martens, these necklaces that I made, and these plaid pants from Forever 21. And yeah, it's really cute, especially if you're going to be making TikToks all day like I am. So for our final look, I'm calling this one Arcade Babe because it's inspired by the arcade by my house. That's also a bar. I've been missing it a lot recently and I can't wait till it opens up again. I love wearing shoes like this, especially going to a bar, because you just want to be comfortable, especially when you're standing around a lot. And yeah, this is just a really nice casual outfit for when you just want to go to something with a little bit more of a grungy atmosphere like this bar is. So yeah, those are just some of my lookbooks for the summer in quarantine. I hope that these looks inspired you to get off your couch and kind of experiment with what you have in your closet, kind of get yourself motivated for when we finally get over this whole thing. And you know what? Once this is all over and we're able to go to the clubs and to the bars again, you're gonna be the cutest. So if this did inspire you and you do end up posting on Instagram, don't forget to tag me. I'll leave my links down below. DM me. I'd love to see what you guys come up with, and maybe I'll get some inspiration from you. And yeah, I just appreciate you guys clicking on this video. I know I've been gone for a while, but I really do love making videos, and now I have a whole setup. I just got a laptop, a new camera, and I'm really excited to be vlogging and making beauty videos again. And yeah, I'm so happy that I get to do what I love, especially like I feel like maybe this was an opportunity for me to take advantage of the time that we have at home to kind of set up my YouTube channel again. So yeah, look forward to more videos really soon. So yeah, if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below to tell me what you think. Do you like these kind of videos? Should I try something else? Leave some suggestions because I'd love to hear them. Stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.